Welcome! In this lesson, we'll demystify the 404, also called page not found, error, and show how to fix it. A 404 means your browser reached the web server just fine, but the server could not find the page at that web address. In plain words, the link points to nothing. Here is the round trip. Your browser requests a page, the server looks for it, and responds with 404 when it is not there. Why does a 404 happen? Here are common causes. 1. A broken or mistyped URL, like a missing dash or wrong letter. 2. The page was moved or deleted with no redirect. 3. An incorrect link on the site or from somewhere else. 4. Server rewrite rules changed, so the URL no longer maps to a file. If you are a visitor, try these quick fixes. 1. Check the web address carefully for typos, missing dashes, or a missing .html. 2. Go up one level by removing the last slash segment and reload. 3. Search the site, or use Google with site:example.com and your keywords. 4. Refresh the page, or clear your browser cache to remove a stale redirect. If you are a site owner or developer, do these steps. 1. Create or restore the missing page at that web address. 2. Set up a 301 redirect from the old address to the new address. Here is the idea. Old slash page goes to new slash page with a permanent redirect. 3. Fix internal links in your code so they point to valid addresses. 4. Update your sitemap and robots.txt so search engines crawl only valid pages. 5. Review your rewrite rules to ensure patterns match the intended routes. 6. Add a friendly custom 404 page with a search box and helpful links. In summary, a 404 means the server is reachable, but the resource at that address does not exist. Visitors should check the address, move up a level, search, and refresh. Site owners should restore missing content, add 301 redirects, fix links, keep sitemaps current, review rewrite rules, and offer a helpful custom 404 page. Do these, and users quickly find what they need while your site remains friendly and search optimized.